Eggs have been misunderstood for decades. Some call them unhealthy, others call them superfoods. But when it comes to your liver, eggs are nothing short of miraculous. Inside each humble egg is a nutrient that scientists consider vital for liver health, choline. If your liver could write a grocery list, choline would be right at the top. Why? Because without enough choline, your liver can't function properly. It can't process fat, detox efficiently, or even repair its own cells. Eggs are one of nature's most complete foods. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, 5 grams of healthy fats, and an array of vitamins and minerals including vitamin A, D, E, B2, B6, B12, and selenium. But the hero nutrient for liver health is choline, found abundantly in the yolk. Choline is an essential nutrient. The body can make a little, but not nearly enough to meet its needs. It's a lipotropic compound, meaning it helps move fat out of the liver and into the bloodstream where it can be used for energy. Eggs also contain lecithin, a natural emulsifier that aids digestion and keeps cholesterol soluble. They're rich in methionine, an amino acid that supports the body's production of glutathione, the master detox molecule that keeps liver cells young and functional. So while some people fear egg yolks, they're actually where the healing nutrients live. The white provides protein, the yolk provides restoration. Choline plays a crucial role in fat metabolism and liver detoxification. When your body lacks enough choline, fat starts to accumulate inside liver cells, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. In fact, in controlled studies, individuals deprived of dietary choline developed fatty liver within weeks, and the condition reversed as soon as choline was restored. Here's what happens inside your body. Choline combines with fatty acids to form phosphatidylcholine, a key component of cell membranes and lipoproteins. This compound helps package fat into VLDL particles, allowing it to leave the liver and circulate safely. Without choline, fat gets trapped in the liver, leading to inflammation and scarring. Choline also boosts methylation, a chemical process that keeps DNA and liver enzymes functioning properly. Supports neurotransmitter synthesis, especially acetylcholine, which keeps your brain sharp and your metabolism efficient. Works with folate and vitamin B12 to detoxify homocysteine, a harmful compound that can damage liver tissue if it accumulates. In short, no choline, no detox, no proper fat breakdown, and no regeneration. Eggs are one of the most efficient foods for reversing fatty liver because they flush out excess fat. The choline in eggs activates fat export pathways, clearing fat droplets from liver cells. Rebuilds cell membranes. Phosphatidylcholine from eggs literally becomes part of the liver cell walls, strengthening and regenerating them. Reduce inflammation. Selenium and vitamin E in eggs protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Support glutathione production. The methionine and cysteine in egg whites feed glutathione synthesis, enhancing the liver's natural repair process. Research shows that people who eat eggs moderately, about 1 to 2 per day, have a lower risk of developing fatty liver and better overall liver enzyme profiles than those who avoid them. If you're healing from liver inflammation, eggs can help restore energy, stabilize metabolism, and prevent further fat buildup. They're like small nutritional repair kits packaged in a shell. Here's how to get the most from this liver healing food. Eat whole eggs, not just the whites. The choline is in the yolk. Boiled or poached eggs are best. Frying at high heat can destroy delicate nutrients. Combine eggs with leafy greens, avocado, or whole grains for balanced, liver-friendly meals. Meal ideas. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs with a bowl of steamed spinach or kale. Lunch: scrambled eggs with garlic, onions, and olive oil. Dinner: poached eggs over brown rice and sautéed vegetables. You can also use eggs as part of detox smoothies by adding boiled yolk to blends with banana or oats for a creamy, nutrient-dense drink. For vegetarians or those avoiding eggs, foods like soy lecithin, beef liver, and sunflower seeds also provide choline, but eggs remain one of the richest and most bioavailable sources. Warnings, myths, and quick tips. Myth: Eggs are bad for cholesterol. Studies now show that moderate egg consumption does not raise harmful LDL cholesterol for most people. In fact, it raises good HDL cholesterol and supports healthy fat metabolism. Tip: always store eggs in a cool, dry place or refrigerator to preserve nutrients. Caution: people with egg allergies should avoid them, and those with advanced liver disease should consult a doctor before drastically increasing protein intake. Otherwise, eggs are safe, affordable, and easily integrated into any diet, one of the most efficient liver-repairing foods available. In every egg lies a golden nutrient, choline, the unsung hero of liver health. It helps your liver burn fat, repair damaged tissue, and maintain balance in your body's detox system. Forget the fear around egg yolks, they're your liver's natural allies. Whether boiled, poached, or scrambled with veggies, each egg nourishes and rebuilds your inner engine. So, the next time you crack an egg, remember, you're not just cooking breakfast, you're giving your liver a chance to heal.